Hi neighbors. We're going to be barbecuing this evening, so I thought I'd come on and share with you macaroni salad that my mother-in-law taught me how to make many moons ago, back in probably, I would say, late 80s, early 90s. And every once in a while, my guys request it, so that's what I'm making today. So I picked up a box of tri-colored pasta, and I have that going there. It's about ready to strain it. Beautiful day out here, so yeah, I'm going to barbecue for supper. See if this is ready. Is that recording? Yeah, here it comes. Done, and the dog wants to go out. See if they get a better shot of everything I'm doing here. I'm going to strain this. Yeah. Rinse that off. I'm going to rinse off this pasta. I just want to run it under cold water so that it's not hot when I throw all this together. I'm going to be refrigerating it, but I don't want it to be the vegetables going on hot pasta. So, over here I have, well, let's start off with my English cucumber. Okay, I'm going to peel it a few strands of, you know me, I like making the stripes in the English cucumber because you can eat the peeling on English cucumbers. So tasty, tasty. And I am going to cut her down the middle and cut each half down the middle. Oops, well, kind of messed that up. Follow the shape of it there, Jerry. And I'm going to chop these up now, just like chunks. Dice her on up. That's simple. My handy dandy knife. Okay. Also, I have a container of tomatoes here, the little, grape tomato, yeah, little grape tomatoes, and probably about 20 of them, 16, 20 of them. And then I'm just having that, like quartering them, and slice her the long way and the other way, like a cross, just to quarter them up. So quartering those. Let's see, what else? What else am I doing here, people? Yeah, I wasn't planning on recording. I just thought I'd turn it on. I had a red bell pepper, or capsicum, they call in other parts of the world, and I diced that up, and I'm going to do the same. I cleaned out the membranes and stuff and seeds from the inside, and I'm going to dice up a green one and a red one. I normally just throw a green one in, but the red one needed to be used. It was in my fridge, and it was getting close to, you know, having to be chopped or garbage, so I'm chopping it. And I'm gonna dice this up as well. Hey, you know, cut them the way that you want, as big or as small as you like, right? It's gonna be your salad. The dressing for this is a little sweet and a little tangy. Yeah. Maybe a little different from one that you had. Maybe you have this. Maybe you have this recipe. I don't know where my mother-in-law got it, but yeah, we've been making it, like I say, since, I don't know, late 80s, early 90s. Gonna move some of this. Eat this one. Okay. Just getting some green onion. My mother-in-law doesn't like green onion in hers, though. But she's not here today. She's in Cape Breton, enjoying some nice weather, I hope, down there. So let's get this put together. There's, you know, I like using this. Chop my head off there. I'm trying to have a look at yous all. Okay. I have a dish, as you can see. I like using this one for the camera because people can see it nice and easy. Okay, so that's strained. There's my pasta. There's my pasta. Oopsie, and overboard. And I'm gonna put my cucumber and tomato and peppers, all that in there. You can put as much or as little of these veggies that you like. I'm tossing things all over the place here. It's very colorful. I love it. I love the colors. Okay. We're going to be mixing it up with the dressing. Okay, so now put this aside. Okay. I am going to put, let me think, 3/4 of a cup of salad oil or vegetable oil. Okay. And then I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Can you see there? There. 3/4 of a cup of salad oil, like canola or vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of just normal granulated sugar. I'm going to put like a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, or a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 1 second here. I'm also going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, or you can use garlic powder if you want. And I'm going to get some paprika. I like paprika in it. I'm going to put a teaspoon of paprika in. This is, you can use smoked, Hungarian, whatever, you know, whatever paprika you have that you want to use. So a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to put in, is that open? I'm going to put in 1/3 cup of ketchup. Put in a few teaspoons of W sauce. 2 or 3. I need to dissolve the sugar. Dissolve the sugar. I want to give it a little tasty poop. Yipper dipper. Now you can make this as sweet as you like, or not, right? I don't want it too sweet. One sec, Jerri-ellen, Mommy's coming. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for a few hours, just so that the pasta and the vegetables start to absorb that dressing, and everything get all of it married together, as they say, whoever they are. But they're out there and they're talking, and they say a lot of stuff. I'm just going to give it a little tasty poo again. I dropped some. And before you leave, I gotta put some green onion in there. I do. Green onion. Green onion. Woo! There we go. There we go with the green onion. This would be wonderful to take to a potluck or a family barbecue or your own barbecue. There you have it, in a nutshell, or in a bowl. Peace, love, God bless. Please come back again. Have a good one, everyone.